What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jared Shoes, man. We're back at it again with another vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna welcome, first of all, I'm gonna welcome all you guys first. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, make sure to like and subscribe. So for today's video, I decided to invite a bunch of BMW F8X drivers here in the Bay. Not just in the Bay, but Northern California. There's a bunch of us right now. I think there's like 25 to 30 confirmed drivers. I haven't checked yet, but we got a few guys coming from Sacramento. We got a few guys coming from cities that I haven't heard yet here in Northern California. So we're going to Stinson Beach today. Well, if you guys are in the Bay, if you guys probably know that, but if you guys are not in the Bay, well, you guys don't know that. We're gonna go to Stinson Beach, and we're gonna go meet up with all of them at Redwood City. So that's the meeting point. This is the Mexico Blue M4, guys. Very, very rare car. I believe there's only 3 here in the States, 2 in New Jersey, and this is 1 here in California. So let's go meet up with all of them, and then yeah, let's start the day. So we just got here at the meeting location, Redwood City. Already saw a few F80 guys. I'm gonna say what's up to these guys. Okay, all right. My bad. I heard a bunch of them here. It's all about the Filipino time, baby. I'm always late, and I'm the host. We got this F80 M3 right here. Yeah, those are nice HREs. What's up, guys? Dope. Woo! Yeah, let's get it, boy. John, man, nice to meet you. What's up, man? I'm John. Nice to meet you. John, it's me, you guys. We're in the shine, baby.
All the days of the week.
Hey,
it's that one day
it's
today.
One day. It's all good, man. You know, we're out here having fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So. M2s. A lot of M2s out here, guys. What's up, man? All right, why don't you park your car in there real quick? All right. The baller wheels right here, man. Look at that. I was stoked right now. This guy came from, I think this guy came from Sacramento, if I'm not mistaken. Your car just literally stands out here. I don't know why. It just stands out.
It's the blue.
It's the blue, yeah. Look at Jollibee. I want some Jollibee right now, bro. I'm not even lying. I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. So I'm currently leading right now on the way to Novato. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of F80 guys up there. So, and then after that, talk for a bit and all that stuff, and then just head to the next spot. Let's take you guys along with this. Check this color. Oh, F82. Bridge now, guys. I don't even know if we can see anything right now. I can barely see something in there. Alright guys, so we just got here at Novato. Just gonna wait for the rest of the F80 guys up here. This parking lot's pretty tiny, but it's all right. We'll try to make it work. You know, we got another F80 guy right here. Get Jerry. What's up, Jerry?
What's up, brother?
Man, how you been?
Good, man. I'm gonna get some gas real
Yeah,
quick.
for sure. Good. I gotta take a piss.
Get over and okay.
All right, guys. So we're going to Stinson Beach now. But before there, we're taking this route that my boy Artem, told me to just visit. So I think it's called Cheese Factory or something. Woo! Let's get it, baby. Right now where we're halfway through Stinson Beach and we just found this very cool spot. We're probably just gonna take photos here too. The place is called Cheese Factory. I thought it was Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory.
Shut the traffic down.
You're good. Yeah, I thought we had more though. I'm not gonna lie, Artem, this is pretty sick. This spot's pretty sick, bro.
Good.
Yep, so Artem right here, guys, he's actually part of the plan. So I decided, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go for it, but obviously I need help. So Artem right here, if you guys don't know, how do you say Ruski or Rusky? Ruski, there you go, not Rusky. So people have been saying Rusky, so that's why. So Ruski right here. So Ruski right here is actually one of the guys who planned it out, since this is their area, this is his area right here. But for next month, maybe next month, we'll try to go south, South Bay. So we're gonna focus on this one first, and then later on we'll talk it out and, you know, maybe gather more people. So yeah,
Always go up to Sac too.
oh yeah, there you go. Dude, this F8 is
Those wheels are sick. And the Carmen's around.
yeah. So we're heading to Stinson Beach now. I think it's like we got 25 to 30 minutes away.
Make sure it sound right,
see you guys.
Boys. Ciao, bro. Andrew. It sound right, boys.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but bangs are crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. We got a few cars. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This guy's got a speed 100 right here. Swap wheels. Dope. 437s, bro. Used to have those. I'm powered right here. Make sure to follow this guy, M4 Whitebird 88. This guy too. I think this guy was the one. Who pulled over. Ooh, secure orange F82 M4. Psychedelic. This is psychedelic, right? Yeah, psychedelic wrap. Unfortunately, we can't really see it. Yep, barely. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, teamwork.
Teamwork. That works. He's got the 606 competition wheels. We got this F80 M3 HREs. Now look at that. Carbon ceramic brakes. And my car's filthy right now. I gotta clean this. I got the Apex CC7s, 19s. Definitely need new tires. You guys see this gnarly lip right here? Okay, secure orange F80 M3. These guys came from SAC. And sick, very sick. ETS, okay.
But just like the carbon fiber.
I got you. All right, we're gonna go drive, head to the last spot, Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna take pictures, all of us right here. And then after that, we're gonna end it there. So stay tuned. Golden Gate Bridge, guys. All right, guys. So that's a wrap. Everyone kind of just passed the bridge and everyone just kind of left. So originally we had like 12 to 13 cars earlier left at Stinson Beach, but fortunately everyone already left. Everyone was pretty much tired. Understandable. If you guys were part of this cruise, I just want to thank you guys for coming out. This is not going to be the last one. We're going to do this every month. It was actually a really good drive. Honestly, a really good cruise, although it was raining, but it's all good. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah.